which never get their applaud or award for anything what they are doing. And definitely you will find them, and I request you to read the book and read about them.
There is one more thing. You know, in fact, I was having a chat with a few people online on who is the major victim in the domestic scene. देखो, जो डॉक्टर है वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं और बचा रहे हैं. He is sacrificing his own health. I mean, he's ignoring, I would say, his own health at times.
Right.
जो एग्जीक्यूटिव है वो या तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहा है या फिर उसको कभी कभी जाना पड़ता है. स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनको काम पे जाना. घर में सीनियर सिटीजन्स हैं, उनका ख्याल रखना. सो ये सबका जो जो स्ट्रेस गार्बेज जो है, जो द स्ट्रेस बिन, who is the stress bin of everybody, all the warriors? It's the woman, the housewife.
Absolutely.
It's the
Well, yeah.
housewife.
Yeah. Well
Let me
said.
tell you that.
Yeah.
It is the, I wouldn't say the housewife as such, it is the house mother, the one who is looking after the family. Like I remember once my grandma, my aunt, who was very old, 90-year-old, she said, "Why am I still living? I'm 90 years." I said, "You're living because you are the keeper of the energies of the family. Now you cannot cook and wash and all that, but you have to still supply the spiritual energy of the family." Right? So the housewife, the house mother, she is the energy. अगर आप डॉक्टर हैं, आपने जाना है, आपको एनर्जी वो हाउस मदर ने दी है. आप स्टूडेंट हैं, आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, जो भी है, लेकिन आप कब उसको कोप कर रहे हैं, your energy is coming from the house mother. You're a teacher, you have to go to teach people, or then all, you know, the tempers are frayed and all that. तुमने ऐसे क्यों कर दिया? अरे खाना नहीं बनाया अब तक, अरे ये नहीं हुआ, अरे वो नहीं हुआ, मेड नहीं आई है, ये उस कौन बर्दाश्त करता है? It's the house mother. It's the house mother. And I don't know whether she figures in your book.
Yeah, I think absolutely right. This is the main this Archana's character which we are mentioning, because housewife or the housekeeper or house energy provider, you can call it now.
I
That
call her
house
the
energy
house
provider.
mother. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
the
House
house
mother
mother.
basically they provides energy to the whole. Now in this situation,
Right.
actually, her job becomes doubled, right? Providing energy has to be doubled energy to provide to the kids, to
Yes.
the people who are employing. Then even there are no maids, right? So it's the maidless life people have. I think first
Yeah.
time in the whole lockdown, and
Yeah. In
even there is like
India.
maidophobia also, right? We have mentioned about maidophobia, that after 3 months, when the maid started coming, also whether to allow them or not to allow them. If they allow them, is there any risk of
Yes.
COVID? So she
Yeah.
has really, and during that time, what has happened? There is a risk of even getting emotionally broken down also. So one of the character which was providing energy to each and every person, the whole
Right.
work has become doubled, and at some stage her capacity is like created a problem. Then she gets COVID, and then she realizes, and then now she becomes she gets a new goal in the life. So the family,
Right.
and then above apart from the family, the next is society. So that is a very beautiful character. I think that exactly Aarti was mentioning, the movie can be made on that character, as Dr. Alima asked. Because house mother, as your Meena you told exactly right, that house mother was a crucial in the whole the societal
Yeah.
fact. Yeah.
But
Yeah,
because
and
she is the,
similarly there is Meda auntie who is she was working earlier, but now she's retired, and she is actually the house mother, and she's struggling so much, and how her emotional struggles are really doubled, because she is having some obsessive tendencies, and now she has to cope up with this COVID in front of on top of it, plus all the household duties. So
yeah,
definitely I think you will like to read about it, and it's not about the difficulties that they are facing, it's about how they come out of it.
how they come. Yeah, it has to be an inspiring story. And the last category which comes to my mind, which I did not hear you all talking about, is the uh, she is the house mother. She is the only person, especially the senior citizen who is staying all alone. And also, in fact, we
Can I
lost
jump
one of
and
our
answer
friend. We lost one of our friend. She was not a senior citizen. She was all of, I think, 51 or 52 or 41 something. And she was a cancer patient. And she was a widow staying all alone. Her children were, she was 51, her children were married and gone and all that, and she was staying all alone. And she was a very social person, very fond of dressing up, very fond of going out, meeting, being there. And now she found herself all alone. She went into heavy depression, because of which her immunity went down, and her cancer spread, and she died.
Yeah,
She
it's very
died.
sad.
It's very sad. So I mean, there have been these two. Now she is also alone. She's staying all alone, and a senior citizen is also staying all alone. Senior
Yeah,
citizen, even I am a senior. I'm a 70-year-old, and I'm staying all alone. So imagine 10. And I am into the tourism industry, and tourism industry is the worst hit. It has stopped completely. And एक तो आदत है घूमने फिरने की, ऊपर से no more work or anything. So forget me. There are other senior citizens who were staying alone. So these two categories also have suffered majorly. But they have power stories to tell.
Yeah.
yeah, sure.
I mean, they have power. I did not know that you were writing this book. Otherwise, probably I
I
would have
think, yeah,
contributed a story.
I
We
think
have a
maybe
story around age and
Madam
ages of
Meena,
Acha,
Madam
good.
Meena,
No, I
the
was thinking
second book
ki,
is under process. You can contribute in that.
no,
TT
I was
no, we have a
thinking,
story in this book itself.
Yeah.
one of
I
the
was
one of the
thinking ki
highest
you have
things,
11
yeah,
stories. So
Yeah.
11 stories means 11 characters.
Yeah.
But I don't know whether in the 11 stories, in each story there's only talk about one character, or there are 3-4 characters in each story.
there are multiple characters actually.
Multiple.
We have
Okay,
multiple
fine.
characters, and
So,
there are two stories on the senior citizen, because the ultimate story of, according to me, in the whole is basically the story of a couple who is staying alone, and they want to go to pilgrimage. I think there is the last story on Wari, Pandarichi Wari, and they are not able to go to Pandarichi Wari this year, and that creates an emotional breakdown for them. That because last 5 years they are going, and now they can't go, and that they go into the shell, and then how they come out of the shell. That is a story which you can definitely look.
Yeah, yeah. And
Yeah, there is also senior citizen in there in another story, where in the village, what I was
exactly.
talking about, that in the village they, because of the son is staying in the city, and village that couple is alone, and then there is a support system is created at that, and so that there is this each story has got many angles. It's not like only based upon one.
Okay.
So Fatma
Yeah,
ma'am,
and whatever
you have any
information, I think
question?
I'm done. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Meena ma'am. You have added a great value to our discussion. Thank you very much. Yes, Fatma ma'am, what do you have to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. I have one question. What qualities are required to be a writer? एक राइटर बनने के लिए उनके अंदर कौन कौन सी खूबियां होनी चाहिए?
Oh my God. I would not say by writing one book I become a writer. But I will still try to answer that. One is your passion for writing. You have to feel the things, and then you have to feel that you have a message to give to the world, and then you should have a passion to give that message to the world. And once you have that passion, you have to act on it, because the whole process is very tiring at times. because you have to write, then rewrite. Like doctor was saying earlier, we had so many discussions, and Dr. Halima, you were asking how many hours you were writing. So I would say throughout the day we were doing something or the other. Like some idea comes, and then we used to message or email and share ideas. So the process is very overwhelming at times. So you should really have a lot of patience, and after you have written, you have to edit and keep on rewriting. And I think the version what we had at the first draft and now what you see is like a completely different one. So you should really have a lot of patience for that.
So alternate day there was a new version was created.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question. I have many
Actually,
questions, but I'll ask one
Pooja,
only.
just a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am.
I think we have Aisha and Aksa and
Okay,
Rahul
okay,
Patki,
okay.
3 of them. First, just let's ask
Okay,
them.
okay.
Yes, Aisha Siddiqa.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening.
Assalam, Aisha.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening.
पहले तो मैं सबको मुबारकबाद दूंगी इस बुक के लिए जिसने लिखे हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह से। मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ कि राइटर के दिमाग में एक बात रहती है, राइटर एक चीज सोचकर वो अल्फाज को लिखता है, लेकिन जब पढ़ने वाले हैं उसको कुछ और समझते हैं, बाज़ वक्त 2 मीनिंग वाले अल्फाज होते हैं। तो उस तरीके से हम जब लिखते हैं तो सामने वाले के दिमाग को सोचते हुए लिखना पड़ता है, तो वो किस अंदाज में लिखना है, कैसा करेंगे मैं वो जानना चाहती हूँ कि हम सामने वाले को, क्योंकि राइटर तो बनते नहीं है, पैदा होते हैं, शायर तो बनते नहीं है, पैदा होते हैं। तो इसी तरीके से मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि अगर हम कुछ लिखना चाह रहे हैं तो किस हिसाब से लिखना चाहिए, उसको कैसा, क्या सोच के लिखना है?
एक्चुअली ऐसा है कि आपको कौन सा टारगेट ऑडियंस करना है, राइट? अभी हमारे केस में ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे बच्चों पे ही लिखना है या मुझे कोई फीमेल्स ओरिएंटेशन ऑडियंस है वैसे ही लिखना है, ऐसा कुछ माइंड में नहीं था, क्योंकि ये जो चीजें थी वो हर आदमी ने, राइट, अलग अलग समाज के हर एक घटक ने ये पूरा लॉकडाउन पीरियड में सफरिंग किया था, तो इसीलिए हमको थोड़ा ओपननेस हम लोग ने रखा, राइट। सो कल मैं पेरेंटिंग में कुछ लिखने जाता हूँ तो वो पेरेंटिंग के हिसाब से मैं उसको ढांचा, स्टूडेंट काउंसलिंग में लिखूंगा तो ढांचा थोड़ा बदल जाता है। बट ये अभी ये करंट सिचुएशन में हमको थोड़ा सा फ्रीडम मिल गया क्योंकि everyone, each person in the society has suffered from that. So therefore that was our luck actually, that we got a so the audience was like a vast audience we can cater to. But I think majority, I think 99% of the people have suffered something. So that is the advantage we will get when they read those stories. And whatever the feedbacks we are also getting from the people is that once they read the story, oh, these 3 or 4 things I also suffered, right? So
yeah, they feel the things.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. And now Rahul Patki, may I ask you, you are here with us, Mr. Rahul. Mr. Rahul, I think there is some connectivity issue. Yes, Pooja, where are you?
Yes, I am here only, ma'am.
Yes, Pooja.
She's waiting.
Curie.
Ma'am, Aksa ma'am wanna say something?
Mama student उसे.
अक्सा मैम, क्या कुछ कहना है आपको?
जी मैम, मैं एक सवाल था एक.
हाँ जी जी पूछिए. मोस्ट वेलकम.
मैम, जब आप कोई स्टोरी लिखते हो तो हमें एक पॉइंट पे पता नहीं चलता कि हमें कहाँ पे रुकना है या फिर उसको कितना कंप्रेस करना है, क्योंकि कभी वो बहुत बड़ी बन जाती है. तो उसके लिए कोई टिप है मतलब स्टोरी लिखने के लिए?
अच्छा, अक्सा का ये कहना है कि जब कभी ये स्टोरी लिखती है, अक्सा एक्चुअली क्या है ना कि स्टूडेंट है, ठीक है, तो ये कह रही हैं कि जब वो स्टोरी लिखती हैं तो उनको ये पता नहीं चलता कि कहाँ पे स्टॉप करना है, क्योंकि वो फिर वो इतनी बड़ी हो जाती है, इतनी बड़ी हो जाती है, तो उन्हें कैसे स्टॉप करना है?
मैम, वो कंप्रेस करना एक स्टोरी को.
क्या हो जाती है?
कंप्रेस करना स्टोरी को.
अच्छा, कैसे कंप्रेस करना स्टोरी को?
जी मैम.
Okay, that's a very interesting question, and I would say we have gone through the same process. क्योंकि पहले, as I said, पहले जो भी लिखा हुआ था वो बाद में सब कट कर दिया.
Yes, ma'am.
So the story should not be very long. At the same time, it should not be very brief also. So you have to see that what is the message you are trying to convey. So as long as it is not repetitive, if it becomes a bit lengthy, it's okay. But reader's interest has to remain in that. So best way is ask somebody to read it and give you the feedback, or you yourself can read it as a third person and you can understand कि ये बहुत बड़ा हो रहा है तो इसको cut करना है. And as authors and writers, we are very much attached to what we are writing, so that detachment, if we practice and try to give away certain paragraphs or certain words or certain portions, if you are ready to cut them and don't be emotional about it, then you can do it.
And I think
Okay, thank you
factual
very much,
facts,
Anushka.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
जी, तो राहुल जी कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं, because we have come to the end of our show. It's already taking too long. Yes, Rahul, please tell us what
Yes,
is.
ma'am. We heard about like means motivation behind the book and all those things. Definitely, writing book is difficult, but many times I heard publication is also one of the big hurdle, and we are not used to it. So, can you please share about the publication thing? Like, so how difficult or what are the processes for the publication? What are the best
You
ways
have
to
in the current
learning
scenario,
out of the publication?
Rahul, actually current scenario, you have taken one of the standard publications, right? So Bureau's publication, and their processes are relatively very smooth actually. They have got a good interaction technique. They edit they do editing part also, as well as once they make the book, they give a proofreading part 1 or 2 times. And I think systematically manner they have, because they have standardized over that process is almost like a SOP, right? So SOP is there for years together. So if the publications are new, sometimes you may feel the trouble kind of thing. But getting the ISBN number local, as well as the ISBN for ebook, as well as, I think still our international process is ongoing. But they have got
Yeah.
a classical process for 45 to 60 days, and stepwise generally they follow. I think we at least have got a good smooth publication experience.
Yeah, you have to exercise caution while selecting the publisher.
Okay, that's what.
So thank you very much. Yes, now the last question from Pooja, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. I have very much still next time. I have a last question. Like right now, when you write the book, emotional related to the real life stories. So next time when you will go to the next book, you will write related to the live real stories or imaginative stories.
Yeah, thanks, Pooja. And I must say that I'm really it's emotionally very moving to answer all these questions. I feel really great answering all of these. Um, uh, this book, although it is based on real life stories, it is still a work of fiction.
Okay.
I would say that. So it's not kind of a biography of somebody. It's still a work of fiction. We have masked a lot of things. There are amalgamation of characters. So therefore it is based on real life stories, but at the same time it is a work of fiction. And next time if we want to write something, or I personally have a lot of other manuscripts where the writer really derives his or her inspiration from the real life, because nothing comes from the sky altogether. We always derive our inspiration from the real life, but it's presented with our own imagination.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very
sir.
much. Thank you, Pooja. I hope that your queries are answered. So now next week on Tuesday, same day, we are going to give you the gist of the book, like a few things about the book. Not exactly everything, because everything, when you are going to read the book, then you are going to understand. So I would like to say all my viewers to kindly get a book. Aarti ma'am, from where they can get the book?
Yeah, right now the book is available on Amazon in the paperback version, and we can post the link, and definitely order your copy right away. You are getting prompt delivery all over India right now through Amazon, and it's also available on Flipkart and Bureau's sites. And the Kindle copy and the global edition are on the way. The Kindle edition will be available, and on Amazon.com the global edition will also be available in a few days time.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. I forgot to say congratulations for the book. So, ma'am, congratulations, and sir, congratulations.
So,
Thank
And
you.
we
So,
all
thank
will
you
buy
very
the
much.
book.
Yeah,
Thank you
sure.
very
And
much.
do send us your feedback.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. So now before we wind up, I just request both of you to kindly give your good wishes and greetings to our viewers, especially if they want to be a writer, then what all steps they all have to take. First, Aarti ma'am, you.
Oh my God. I really thank you for calling us, inviting us today, and giving us this opportunity to share our journey through this process. And it was very, very kind. And if somebody wants to be a writer, I would not say that I'm a writer and an author or somebody great. We have just made an attempt to share our message with the world through this book. So if you feel very intensely that you have something to share, don't wait, just start writing. Earlier we used to write with pen and paper. Now open your laptop and start typing.
I think
Very nice.
the good writer actually needs a very good observation, right? So when you look at one particular character, you have to observe closely and try to develop a habit of going into the subconscious mind. That many times is like what we see outside is like the and what is happening inside is a deep, great difference between them, right? It's like a tip of the iceberg. When once we meet any person, it is like what we see is like a tip of the iceberg. But a lot of happens in the subconscious mind. So since I interacted with more than lakhs of patients over a period of time, I developed the habit that what is going inside that particular person. And once you pick up that particular insight, your writing becomes more powerful. And the story, what has happened in the couple of months, the 3-4 different episodes, if you want to deepen that particular episode, and then the real emotions what the person was having, and that will definitely help in the bringing out the better writing. So this is very important, good observation, and then putting, penning it into the very nice manner, and just looking at the. So I think over a period of time, some sixth sense has to be developed to kind of bring out the great inside story of that particular real character.
Yeah, and if you feel the character, if you feel the empathy, and then the emotions and the words will really start coming to you.
Ma'am, you are
Halima, I think you're
Yes,
on mute.
thank you very much, both of you. It was really lovely talking to you, and I hope that the viewers are going to get a copy of the book today itself, and they all are going to read, not only for the purpose of buying the book, but for the purpose of getting the message through this book. And before I wind up, let me just read out a few lines from the book again, as I started in the beginning. So these lines says that each adversary in life presents an opportunity for reflection. Every calamity was a new cosmos if followed by introspection. If we appreciate, the relevance of our miseries, they can strengthen us for soaring heights. So really these lines I like very much, and I have read it very slowly so that it can go through the hearts of the people, that how a person who himself has gone through the whole dilemma, gone through the whole pandemic, and the person has realized the emotion of the people and then tried to give the message of hope, the message of like positivity, that I really appreciate both of you for taking up this step. May God bless you always. And I wish that this book is going to be the bestseller book. Thank you very much. Thank you all my
Thank
viewers for
you.
watching this.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
Dr. Halima, for this
Thank
portrait.
you.
Great. Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Halima.
Thank you, and
Congratulations,
I wish
Aarti.
a very good 2021 to all your viewers, and all the best, Dr. Halima, for your all future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We
And
need-
don't miss to know about this book more next week, Tuesday, same time on Jahaneman. Take care and bye-bye.
I